Hi, Geoff here. Welcome to another lesson. Today I'm going to do one more of these stolen licks. Today the lick we're going to look at is one again I found off of YouTube. It's by a guy called Mike Johnston. Mike Johnston's the guy who does all of the online lessons and all the. He's all over YouTube, so have a search for him if you're not sure who he is. I think he's based in California. A great drummer and a great teacher. The lick itself, then, I've called it the 5-stroke Ruff. Now, there's no such thing as a 5-stroke Ruff, right? You go to PAS, I'm sure that there won't be a 5-stroke Ruff in there. There's 5-stroke roll, which is this. Let's get a pad, actually. Which is this. You might alternate right, left. You might just do a single-stroke 5. Now, what a Ruff is for me is when you're leading on to a note. So we go ba, we play a hit. Ba. Just before that hit, we put 2 more. Ba. Well, the bit that I'm singing, ba, is still in the same spot. Ba, but I'm doing 2 notes before that. So those 3 notes together, that makes you a 3-stroke Ruff. Ba, ba, well, a 4-stroke Ruff. Ba, ba, 5-stroke Ruff, which again doesn't exist, but for me, it kind of is what this is. Ba, ba, ba. So it's leading on to something. That's why I've given it that name. Now, I'm going to call it, in this context, just to get through this lesson, my 5-stroke Ruff, and my 5-stroke Ruff is going to be a hi-hat first, 2 right hands, a left hand, and then a bass drum. That's the 5 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hi-hat, right, right, left, bass. Hi-hat, right, right, left, bass. Hi-hat, right, right, left, bass. Now the key to being able to play this is being able to phrase that in some way. Now we're going to do it as the 32nd note feel. If you don't know what those are, don't worry. And we're going to do it after an 8th note groove. Now the 8th note groove is going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we're going to play up to 4 with 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So where I just played that, so let's say caterpillar stop. Caterpillar stop. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Caterpillar stop and 2 and 3 and 4. Caterpillar stop. Well, that caterpillar stop is basically where this is going to be. So we're going to get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. And the only thing that's a bit strange there is when we do the little 5-stroke Ruff, we end with a bass drum. So we used to end in with a hi-hat as well. So we're going to skip the first hi-hat on the second bar. So the second bar is going to start like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now the other variations of that I started to do was sometimes putting the bass drums in. So instead of going hi-hat first, just start with the bass drum first and then with the bass drum. So that one, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. But what I was doing then was extending it out. So I might do a bass drum, then a hi-hat, a bass drum, then a hi-hat. So bass drum, hi-hat, bass drum, hi-hat. That's going to be something like this when we play it full out. And you can hear, you can start either with the hi-hat or with the bass drum. Variations of that might do 2 hi-hats, 2 bass drums. Two hi-hats, 1 bass drum. You can come up with different variations to fill a bar or part of a bar, however you need to use it. And that was it. That's the way that I found best to use this fill. Now, how can you expand on it? Well, you can use it on the drums. You can change the sticking around. Bass left, left, right, bass right, left, right, whatever you want to do. So see what other ideas you can come up with. The best way I've found of describing it is thinking of it as that 5-stroke Ruff to start with. But the other way I found of using this is to mix it around with other things. So I find other surfaces that sound similar, and I kind of hide it in there, camouflage it a little. So I'm going to do a little demonstration of some of those ideas for you now. I'll be back with another lesson again, hopefully soon. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, do thumbs up, thumbs down, leave some comments, and I'll hopefully catch you all again soon. So thanks.